Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Friday. Today we're going to be making cheesy broccoli bites. I'm really excited to try this recipe. My husband's been wanting me to make it for a while now. We're going to go over the ingredients to see what all is in it. I decided to go with the riced broccoli. You can just use frozen broccoli and then use a food processor, but we need 6 cups of the broccoli. We also need scallions, and we're going to use about 1/4 cup of those, 2 cups of cottage cheese, 1 1/4 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 4 eggs, some olive oil, garlic powder, and some salt. This recipe is I'm going to preheat my oven. You need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next, we're going to heat the broccoli in the microwave, whatever it says on the back of the package. I have already done that, so I'm going to add that to our mixing bowl. All right, now we're going to cut up the scallions, and we need about 1/4 cup. So I'm going to use 4 of them. I've already washed them and cut the tops and bottom off. We're going to add that to the broccoli mixture. Now I'm going to add the 4 eggs. Now I'm going to add the cottage cheese, and we need 2 full cups. So I bought the 16 ounce. We need 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to use the fresh Parmesan cheese. You can get the kind that's already shredded if you prefer. Now I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheese. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. A little bit of salt, and the last ingredients we're going to use is 2 teaspoons of olive oil. We're going to mix all of this together, and then we're going to add it to either a muffin pans, or I also got out the brownie pans. You can use either, but you're going to need 20 to 24 slots, so you'll probably need to use 2 different pans. So we're going to mix it up. I'm going to spray the pans, and I'm going to add them evenly into the pans and put it in the oven for 25 minutes. We're going to let it bake 20 to 25 minutes until it gets a golden brown. All right, there you have it. That is our cheesy broccoli bites. This is a complete lean and green meal if you are on program. If you are not on program, this is a healthy meal that you could make for your family. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you go to my YouTube page and like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And I hope you have a great weekend.